Hi guys, in today's session we will learn about a hidden formula of Excel. It is DATEDIF, and why I am calling it hidden formula. It is because if you are typing any formula here like VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, filter and any other formula, so you can see Excel is showing you some suggestions. But for DATEDIF, it doesn't show any suggestion. But still we can use this formula in any version of Excel. So that's why it is a hidden formula here. So here you can see we have some data in A to C column and we have duration in E column. This duration is coming from formula. I have used formula here already. So you can see this is start date and this is end date. And the formula is dated if, then start date, then end date, and after that symbol for days. It is D. So you can see here I got 74 with this formula. If I am using dated if, so you can see there is no suggestion, then I am using it manually. Then selecting start date, comma, end date, and after that in double quote I am mentioning D. D for days. So you can see our result is 74. And I'm dragging this formula. So this is 107 and this is 78. So this is for days. But if we want months, so what we can do for months, we can use M instead of D. So you can see our result is changed. For this, it is showing 2 months, for this 3, and for this again 2. So you can see here we have date from April to June, but only 2 months are completed. So it doesn't show you fraction of months. It is showing you only completed months. So you can see if here I change the date from 1st April, I'm making it 14th May. 14th May to 14th June. So you can see result is 1 month because 1 month is completed. In May, we have 31 days and 31 days are completed here. But if I make it 15th May, so you can see it is giving me results 0 because 1 month is not completed yet. So this is the difference in day and month. In day, it will give you total days, but in months, it will give you only completed months. Same. Now, if we want it in years, so we can use instead of D and M, we can use Y for years. So you can see D is for days, M is for months, and Y is for years. So by these indicators, we can get duration in days, months, and years. This was our simple calculation. And after that, if we want to get age, you can see here I have some names and their date of birth and then today's date here. So in today's date, with this date of birth and today's date, I am getting their age in year, month, and days. So here I just use same formula. For years, I used Y. For months, now for months, if I use simply M, so it will give me total months. But if I want the remaining months after getting these years, so I have to use Y and M. So with this YM, it is giving me only those remaining months after these years, means 29 years and 2 months. And for days, we will use MD. This is Y for year, YM for remaining months, and MD for remaining days after completion of these year and month. So Y is for year, YM for month, and MD for days. Hope it is clear to you. If you have any query in this, you can drop me in comment. Now, we have some other data where we are calculating the experience in years and months. So because in some time in HR department or other departments in the office, we have to calculate years, means experience of an employee. So for that, if we have their joining date and today's date, so how can we calculate it in single cell? This is just combination of formula like This is the dated if, same start date and end date in Y. By the Y, we are getting the years, and after that, we are using years with ampersand sign or and formula. We are adding years word after this, and again to get the months, we are using dated if formula again, and we are getting only remaining months after completion of these years. And after that, we are again adding months word with and formula. So you can see it is coming in single cell like 10 years, 4 months. If I uh, change something here, so you can see it is changing the result. This is the formula. This is the combination of dated formula. We are using dated twice here, once for years and once for remaining months after completion of these years. And with and formula, we added years and months word in this. Now same, if we have only warranty and date and we want to calculate it with today's date, how many days are remaining in our warranty. So for this, we are using here today function with dated if. Instead of any hard-coded date in any cell, we are using today function inside of dated if function. So here I calculated the date from today. It is our start date till the warranty end date, and I am calculating days. It is giving me 148 days remaining in warranty of laptop, 621 are remaining for phone, 68 for phone, or you can write anything else. So these are the our remaining days. Thank you guys. Hope this was very useful for, function for you, and you can use it in multiple functionality. And if there is any query regarding this function, you can drop me in comment. Please follow us and subscribe us. Thank you.